How to fix Battlefield 6 Directx error. So this is actually a common issue. So what people usually do is to stop auto update directly from their operating system or in their current Windows, which means if there are latest updates of DirectX from NVIDIA or maybe from Microsoft, it will not be automatically be updated and installed by itself. So for you to be able to check the current version of your DirectX, it just simply open up your Windows icon and type in DXDIAG. Hit on enter. Now, once the DirectX diagnostic tool is visible, this is where you can check it out. So most of the time, if you stop auto update on your operating system, DirectX version will be around 11 or below. So for you to be able to update it, all you just have to do is just simply download it from any reliable sources. Open up your web browser and just simply type in download direct X12. So you could either download it via NVIDIA or directly into Microsoft. Install it and it will automatically by update. It will automatically update by itself. And that's it. That's how you fix Battlefield 6 DirectX error.